Yeah, of course. So yes, as you mentioned, my first start was in Egypt, and then I moved to UAE, and recently now I'm working here in Saudi Arabia. And I think the main thing I learned from working in different regions is you need to adapt the technology to the culture around you. So you shouldn't, it's not a copy paste formula that you will do it here and do it there and do it there, but you should know and understand what is the culture around you, what is the resistance, where are the challenges. Every environment is totally different from another because every place have its own standards, have its own workflows, have its own requirements. Either it is governmental requirements or client requirements. So you have to understand this very well. And for me, I always think it's all about the people too. That they are the main let's say driver. Exactly. That's the main. They are the main driver of technology and the main driver of how things goes.